in today's video we're going to finally test this nail polish. So this is the color we're gonna use, which is Dark Dahlia. The names are right here. And I'm going to use this base coat, matte base coat, top coat, and drops. Gorgeous packaging. So we just removed shellac from the nails. And now I'm going to do a quick manicure and we're gonna apply the polish. Okay, so it is matte. It dries matte. Let's see. Okay, so it's pretty dry. Good. Let's see this one. This one not yet. So I have to say the application, this is the first time literally I have the polish in my hand, this line, and the application is excellent. It's really, really good, because usually this application, I have to say, would be as good over a bare nail. So that's why usually when you see people swatch polishes, they don't swatch them over a base coat. They swatch them over a bare nail. So usually when you're putting a polish over a base coat, the base coat kind of melts a little bit and the polish starts pulling. And this is not happening. I mean, reds usually have good formulas, so I would have to, in order to really form my opinion, try other colors. But this is good. The brush is a little off. It's not as flat as I would like it to be, but it's good. I mean, it's decent. It's good. Okay, so this looks kind of set already, pretty dry. Usually it's a good idea to give the polish a couple minutes to dry between the coats. Also, when the nail polish is brand new, it's going to dry faster because it has more solvents. And then when it thickens up, it becomes a little problematic. I'm not sure if they're selling the thinner for this polish or not. I know they do for their gel polish. This color looks amazing, actually. I thought it would look a little bit more pink, but it doesn't, which is good. That's what I was looking for, like a red, but a tiny bit darker. I have to say they nailed this formula. Incredible. So I had someone comment there like, oh my god, I thought you didn't like Manicurist brand. I don't like their marketing, but I so far like the product. It's very interesting, but I do not agree with the type of marketing, like all natural, like assuming that all natural is good for you or plant-based, whatever. It's not. It's like saying, you know, vodka is plant-based, so that's good for you. It's not. So there's not a lot of cleanup I have to do whatsoever. But this is the time to do it because the polish will dry a little bit and the top coat doesn't smear. So I dip this brush in pure acetone, wipe off the excess and wipe off again. And this is an acrylic brush, I don't know, it's like a number 8 or something, this one. Number 6 or 8. And obviously I never used it for acrylic. So I'm going to ask this client, we've chatted about it before we start the manicure. She's gonna send me, because she can't come next week, but she will send me a picture of how her nails are looking next week. Because ideally, honestly guys, I don't recommend wearing nail polish for too long. I really don't. It's better to take it off after like 5 days or something, 5-6 days, and do like a warm oil soak or something, put on some kind of treatment. Of course that depends on the nails. Like some people have extremely strong and resilient nails and they don't have to do that. But if you're having, you know, issues with like white spots or rough surface, I suggest taking breaks. And it's not for the nails to breathe because the nails are not breathing, but just to treat the nails, because through the nail polish you can't do that. So the top coat, Sunshine, provides extreme shine and long-lasting results with your green nail colors. It accelerates drying time, reacting to natural UV rays. Okay, it's too bad that it's dark outside. Apply your green base coat and natural nail color. It's not natural. Wait 1 to 2 minutes and apply 1 coat of top Sunshine. All right, very good. It's been 1 to 2 minutes. So I had someone, this is why the top coat is in like a opaque bottle, because apparently it can react to the UV outside. A lot of those top coats do, like the brush is not the best. See, it's kind of like a little broom. So the key is to apply, I mean, with any polish you need a bit of practice because every polish is a little different. But you want to apply a medium-sized coat, not too thick and not too thin. It's pretty thin, the top coat. It goes on really well. Couple bubbles, but that happens sometimes. Usually when they dry, they kind of disappear. It's important to not to like slam the brush inside when you're picking up more polish, because that's when you create the bubbles sometimes. And not to overwork the polish. So you see I'm picking it up like gently. Let's see, if you go over one area too many times, not good. It starts to like dry a little bit. again, you just get used to the formula. And yeah, you learn to apply it, you learn how to work with it. Okay, yeah, it sets super fast. All right, so this goes on top of the light. Let's see what the drops are saying. Okay, drying drops provide express drying time for green polishes. Their formula, enriched with argan ceramides, deeply nourishes the nail contour. Okay, apply 1 drop to each nail after top coat green. It does look good, no?
Yeah.
Wow. Shiny, but we'll see. I mean, every nail polish is extremely shiny because when it's still wet, because it still has all the solvents. And then when all the solvents evaporate, which takes really like hours, usually, well, at least an hour, and then you see a true surface. But I'm gonna give it another 2 minutes, maybe. Okay, so I have to read this to you guys. I'm such a sour person. Green Perfect Matte. All right, so it says enriched with keratin and alpha hydroxy acids. The Perfect Matte base heals nails and blurs their defects. Okay, so you know that I'm making the salves, right? Which are skin salves and nail salves. And the company was telling me that I cannot say that it heals anything because it's not a medication. And I agree. So how can something heal a nail that is dead? It does, no, it doesn't. It absolutely doesn't. So no. Nails are visibly stronger and prettier. Okay, I agree about the prettier, but stronger? How can you be visibly stronger? Its matte finish offers a natural result. Okay, good. Whereas Daily Perfecting base by itself or under a green natural nail color. But when you look at the ingredients, okay, it has hexanol, which is a good ingredient, fine. But it has butyl acetate. I mean, things can be hardening, conditioning, whatever, but the marketing is too much. It has 2 solvents, has nitrocellulose, adipic acid, alcohol, silica, water, sunscreen, hexanol, alcohol, isopropyl alcohol, glycolic acid. Okay, but so yeah, no, that's pushing it. I mean, acids are good for the nails, but not in like 0.5%. Acids have been shown to be effective for the nails when they're like in probably 50%, not 0.5%. But anyway, so that's just my thoughts. Okay, so now this is the packaging, and it's beautiful, I have to say. So so this is like it's a silicone that speeds up the drying process. Packaging is good, I have to say. I think it has some perfume because it smells nice. No, just different language. I'm gonna look at the ingredients, but yeah, it has a smell. Yeah, like rosy smell. Smell?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah,
nice.
yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna take some pictures now. But overall, I'm impressed with the performance. It's fantastic. It's very good. Alrighty, guys. So I'll update you how the nails are lasting and looking in a week or so. Okay. Thank you so much for watching. Ciao, ciao.